Hi children, we are meeting again. We are still continuing lesson with graph, and we have a few more lessons to continue. So these are the component selection, and we have a lot to study at the beginning. Now we have already studied, as I mentioned before, graphs of the type mx, y equals mx. Then where m is the gradient. We studied about minus y minus 2x, minus 3x, y equals to 1x, all those things, how to draw. Then we also studied how to draw the graph of y is equal to mx plus c. Here the gradient is m, and c is the place where it cuts the y-axis. This is called y-intercept. C is called the y-intercept. So we studied how to draw the graphs and how to read the graphs. Now today we are continuing with the graphs, and today we are going to study the graphs of the form Ax plus By equals C. Now we studied graphs of Mx and we studied graphs of Mx plus C. Now today we are going to study the graphs of the form Ax plus By equals C. Now here A is a number, B is also a number, and C is also a number. X and Y is there always for the equation. Now we will take a typical example of this. We will take the number 3x plus 2y equals 6 of this form, where A is 3 and B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 6. And we will try to make a table for this. X, we will take values minus 2, 0, 2, 4. X equal minus 2, x equal 0, 2 and 4. Now how to find the value of y? Now in this particular equation immediately we can't find the value, we have to write it down. So when x equal minus 2, 3x will be equal to minus 6 plus 2y equals 6. So 2y is equal to 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. So the value of y is equal to 6 here. You have to write down and calculate like this. Then when x equals 0, then not easy. This becomes 0. Then 2y equals 6, y equal to 3. So we have got two values. Then when x equals 2, that's all that we can add. 2x equal to 2, it will be 3x will be 6. Bring that down to the side, minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So 2y equals 0, y is equal to 0. When x equal to y equals 0. So I've got three values. Now when x equals 4, when x equals 4, so it will be 12 plus 2y equals 6, 2y equals 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6, so y is equal to minus 3. X equals 4. When x equals 4, we will substitute 4 into 3, 12. X equals 4 is 12. Plus 2y equals 6. So bring the table on this side. 2y equals 6 minus 12 equals 6 minus 12. That is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 3. So now we have found the values of y on this graph. Now we will draw the graph. We have drawn the Cartesian plane. Here is 0. Now we will start putting the points. Now when x equals minus 2, it is 6. X equals minus 2 is 6. Coming like here. 0, 3. 2 here, 3 here. 0, 3. Then 2, 0. 2, 0 here. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Here minus 2 minus 3, minus 3 will be here. 4 minus 3. So the line comes like this. So looking at the line, we can say that the gradient is negative. So now where is it cutting the axis? So there are some points where the graph is cutting the axis. Here this first point is, it is cutting at 0, 3. 0, 3. The second point that is cutting is this point, that is 2, 0. 2, 0. You have to be careful. You have to be careful to get now this point is here, this point is here. And the question is, where is the line cutting the axis? They are asking for the coordinates. So coordinate of the point for the y-axis is 0, 3. The coordinate of the point x-axis is 2, 0. Now if you look at the graph here, the equation, now where it is cutting the y-axis is 3, y-axis is 3, 0, 3. And where cutting the x-axis is 2. So it is coming alternately. So this is the graph. Now if they are to find the gradient of the graph, we can't find the exact gradient like as it is. So what you should do is, we have to write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is the way, if you get it in this way only, you can find the gradient. Now here in this graph line coordinate, you can't find the gradient. So we will write down 3x plus 2y equals 6. So 2y equals minus 3x plus 6. Y is equal to minus 3 upon 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 2 is 3. Dividing all the numbers by 2. So when divide this by 2 to get cancelled by, divide this by 2, then minus 3 upon 2. Divide this by 6, it is 3. So what are the gradients you get here? So the gradient here is, gradient equals minus 3 upon 2, and c, the where it cuts the y-axis is 3. Intercept is 3. Okay. This is how we draw the graph. Now we do the graph of 3x plus 2y is equals 6, and we do the table and found the plotted points. But there is a very easy way to draw the graph of this. How? First of all, we find out the values. When x is equal to 0, this will become 0. Therefore, 2y equals 6, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So when x equals 0, y is equal to 3, so we got the points 0, 3. 1 point we got. Now we take the value y equals 0. When y is equal to 0, this will become 0. So then 3x will be equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. So when y is equal to 0, the coordinates will be 2, 0. We have got the value. So using these 2 points, we can draw the graph. Now the first point is 0, 3. Other point is 2, 0. This one. So the graph is coming like this. So in this, the graph of this equation is, the function is equal to this graph. Here we plotted only 2 points and we do the graph on that. We will take another example. Look at this example. 5x plus 3y equals 6. Now we are going to draw the graph without making a table in the easy method. So we first we say x equals 0. When x equals 0, 3y equals 15. 3y equals 15. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. So the point is 0, 5. So when y is equal to 0, 5x equals 15 and x is equal to 3. So when y is equal to 0, x equals 3. Therefore the point is 3, 0. So we have got the 2 points. Now we draw the graph easily. Yes. Now when x equals 0, 0, 5 is the first point. 0, 5, first point, this one. Second point is 3, 0. So in this particular function, the graph comes like this. going to 0, 5 and 3, 0. So when you get an equation like this, so you can put x equal 0 and get the value of y, and then put y equal 0 and get the value of x. So you can get the 2 points. If you have 2 points, it's more than enough to draw a graph. That's all for today, children. I hope you have understood. If you have understood, please subscribe.